Okay, today I'm installing my USB charger straight into the auxiliary to port or DC, whatever you want to call it. I just bought a cheapie off eBay, but what I did was add the connector onto it. That was just a straight plug. This is it, just quite simple. I think it was like $6 off eBay again. That's the USB unit. And it has a fuse. And these are just the tools you need, really. That's it. What you want to do is take the panel off, including the seat. I've already yanked this one out, but it's just in under here. So he'll sit taped up into the harness back there. Looks like it's a connected plug, but it's not. It's just empty. So just yank it out, give it a bit of a clean, and once you chuck it on there, hey presto, nice and easy. Alright, once you take the dummy plug out, there you're gonna put your own plug on there, just like so. So I thought I'd show you guys how I'm gonna route it and mount it. So I've got my excess wiring just in there, got my plug connected just here, a couple of little zip ties just to make sure it'll stay secure. Got plenty of slack in this too, that way it doesn't bind or notch or catch when you turn the steering. I've routed mine just through here, just down there. Plenty of room. No binding, goes in and out nicely. Everything else is nice. Like a glove. Other than that, the last thing I'll be doing, because I did notice that when the windshield's on there, it's a little bit tight. So I'm going to make a little adapter. It's just a bit of metal I had laying around. Just cut it in half. It might work out. As you can see, it's going to raise it about 1 centimeter, but on an angle. So we'll just give that a little bit of extra room. So instead of being dead flush, it's gonna kind of pop out a little bit, hopefully. Okay. Almost done. Cool, and this is the finished result. Pretty stealth. Just yet. I actually had to space these out a little bit. Grabbed a couple of pieces of metal and made it sit forward, I don't know, about 1 centimeter, because otherwise there's not enough room. This is the genuine spring as well. In fact, I actually think it looks better, a little bit further propped out.